fit. Howdy folks, welcome back to Doing Brew. On today's video, we're going to be replacing the glass in the door of our Country Flame wood stove.
A few weeks ago, it cracked, and it has a hole in it now. And a few days ago, we ordered some new glass.
Yeah, that's right, Dill. We ordered the glass through Stove Parts Unlimited. I was a little nervous about ordering the glass through a mail order company, but it came really well packaged. And the nice thing is, it's not just the glass, but it's also the gasket to make it an airtight seal.
It's pretty much rope around it, but it's something to keep all the gas from coming out.
So we're going to go ahead and knock this out, replace this glass. It looks like we've got 12 screws all the way around that hold the glass in place. Unfortunately, we have one screw head that's stripped out. So we've got to tackle that.
We bought this speed out kit to remove the damaged screw.
Yeah, that's right. This is a complete kit from Cobalt that has the drill bit to screw out the damaged screw, and then the special bit to remove the damaged screw itself, to actually twist it out in reverse. I've never used anything like this before. We're going to open up this package, give it a shot. Hopefully it works well for us, because we have 11 screws that turn just right and one screw that the head was stripped out previously. We don't even get a chance to try and remove that guy. Doesn't that always seem to be the way? Okay, Dill's going to remove the screws around the window for us, and he's going to highlight here this is the metal plate. Just the screw goes through that hole, puts tension on the glass to hold it in place. Pretty simple.
Right now we're going to take out the damaged screw who doesn't want to come out.
We're going to use the Cobalt speed bit set. I've never used this before. We'll see how it works, and maybe I'll do a how-to or a review in the future. Let's see here. So the first thing you got to do is drill out the core of the screw. Okay, and then you flip the bit around. This is the drill part. Now this is the extractor part. Both of the settings are the reverse setting to remove the screw. Let's see how she works. Wow, that was really easy. The Cobalt speed bit damaged screw extractor kit. So far, big thumbs up. Dill, you want to go ahead and remove the rest of the screws?
Yep.
Okay, so I went ahead and got 12 new stainless steel screws. Dylan is opening up the packets there and getting those ready to go. This is the box that the new glass came in. As I said, it was real nicely packaged in between two pieces of foam. Here's our new glass. We'll take that out in just a moment. I'm going to go ahead and repurpose this box and put the broken glass into it. So of course I'm wearing gloves so I don't cut myself as I remove these broken pieces of glass. Don't worry, you're in plenty. Okay, so thankfully it looks like it's all going to come out in one piece, which is good, so I don't have to deal with too much broken glass. There's some soot falling out of there, that's okay. And the old gasket around the door pretty much came right off. But the good thing is that the new window has a gasket already attached. So it really doesn't look like we have much prep to do. There's the door gasket here, which is separate from the window gasket. So now I'm going to take the new window out of the box. We'll set it into place, and Dill and I will coordinate getting the new screws and the clamps back in place. Okay. All right, I got this buddy with my gloves on. Okay. All right, so here's the new glass, and of course it's cut to the configuration that we need for the Country Flame door, and it is a perfect fit. This is the first time we've tried it. So at this point, we just need to reinstall our glass clamps with the new screws that I got. I'm going to take my gloves off. Don't need those anymore. Thank you, buddy. My light. All right, I'm going to get the first screw in, and then Dill's going to take care of the rest.
Remember, everyone, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Okay.
So now we are done with all the bolts and the glass is secure. Let's see how it looks. That looks pretty good. This old wood stove is probably going to last us for a few more years.
Yeah, it sure will, Dill. And honestly, this repair job was a whole lot easier than I thought it would be. I was really concerned when the glass on this door broke, because this is a very old wood-burning stove. I wasn't sure I'd be able to find the replacement glass for it, but through Stove Parts Unlimited, they had the glass. The dimensions in the description when I was looking at it online were very clear. There's no doubt in my mind when I ordered it that I was ordering the correct glass. And then Stove Parts Unlimited provided everything you'd hope to get from an online retailer: confirmation of the order, tracking, and then of course it arrived in perfect shape, you know, well packaged, and it went in very simply as you just saw. Okay, so this is one small, simple repair here at our 200-year-old farmhouse. The ongoing work here continues, but Dylan and I had to get this stove back up to 100% tonight more than ever, because the temperatures are dropping well below freezing here in our part of the country. So hope you subscribe and stick with us on our journey to complete the full renovation of this 200-year-old brick farmhouse and working woolen farm. We'll see you back here next time on Brew, folks. Take care.
And make sure to subscribe to Carter Hall Farm.